That was funny, bro.
Yeah.
You fucking ate the chalupa and smacked the guinea pig at the same time, and your hair is blonde.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all niggas go hot.
Yo, I never laughed this hard in my life.
No, you fucking. You don't have to have. No, you don't have to. I wouldn't eat this.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh no bullshit.
I lost control of the camera.
I can't. This is sad. Get out of here, bro. Fucking pop you out.
Yeah, hot dogs.
Fuck this nigga, man. No, you don't have to have the hot dog, man.
Oh, Diego.
Nah,
He should have been sitting there for like maybe 3 hours. Yeah, what hot dogs, man.
The fuck out of it. Oh, man.
Yo, can we get some? You want fries too? No, you gonna have to like that. Oh man. Oh damn. That was a good ass laugh. Yo, did you have that shit on video? Cause that shit was crazy. Nigga.
Yeah, I did. I got it.
Yo, I'm ready to smoke. Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we just break those when we get back.
You wanna do me a favor? You wanna grab my phone?
Oh, shit.
My brother from another mother. Literally.
I'll hold it down if you want me to. I'm just.
Yours?
Just asking to get this phone real quick.
Hold down the phone. My brother's from another mother. From another land. Right there. Nigga, don't talk about hot dogs. It was good 3 hours ago, alright?
What the fuck did you do, bro?
I do it all. No, it wasn't.
Jessica Bieber. You said Jessica Bieber.
Who's Jessica Bieber?
You. You're Jessica Bieber.
I
Yo,
don't
sit down, look at me.
I don't like that joke.
Sit down, look at me.
No, man. Not your slave. Not your slave. Okay? Not your
Yeah, that's
fucking slave, man. Charles is not in charge. No, I'm kidding. Yo, even Kid Cudi's here, bro. Kid Cudi don't be lying. He be just tripping on drugs a lot. You know, he be doing meth and shit, but he don't be lying, Papa. No, not once.
Oh, you're a fool. You're talking about Daddy Yankee guy? What are you talking about?
Fuck
You're
that.
crazy.
Fuck that Yankee.
Dang, that's harsh, man.
I don't know fuck about that nigga. He's sucking gooch. He probably sucking on some gooch right now. I know all the niggas like this to eat ass.
Shoot.
All them reggaeton artists like to eat ass.
You're so funny.
They be like, dale, 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 dale. All over the tongue.
How do I?
What's
Shit.
wrong with y'all?
I don't know.
Funny.
What's that? Look at me.
Your chick is gonna turn.
Weird. Weird.
On Natasha or whatever.
How do I make this pop up? How do I make this pop up?
What about it?